right, so next we'll get into our events calendar and task list. So you can find these guys at the bottom of the screen here. We have them side by side. All right. So firstly, for our events, when you create a new event in the calendar, you'll see them pop up on the social feed. So I'm seeing on our social feed here that Nana's birthday celebration is coming up on the 26th. So maybe I just saw that for the first time. I want to go check it out. If I head over to the calendar here, firstly, you can see all of the events happening each week. So today's the 24th, which I'm clicked on so I can see, okay, on the 26th, that's the event coming up this week. If I went to the next week here, I can see, okay, there is a doctor's appointment on this upcoming Monday. Yeah, so let's just take a look at one of them. So if I click on Nana's birthday celebration, I can see who it was created by, the location of it. I have it set for a event, which will make it so that people can like RSVP. So I can see so far 0 people are going, but that's just because I have nobody else in my community right now for this example. And then this event is invite only. Event details, we see it's a potluck. So yeah, you can see some things here. I can click RSVP if I was going to go. Same thing over here. So for events, you can select when you create it, either an event or an appointment. And then, yeah, I selected appointment for this guy here. Now, if we zoom over to our task lists, this is my absolute favorite part of the app. You can create task lists and attach them either to events or have them on their own. So what I did is for each of these events that I created a task list to go with them. So for our birthday one, I put in somebody needs to bring balloons, somebody needs to pick up a cake from the bakery, which is just a really easy way to help delegate tasks and lighten the load on the primary caregivers. So friends and families can come here and they can say, okay, hey, I'm free to pick up that cake, so they can add it to their task list. And then once you add a task, you go over to My Tasks and you can see it here. When you're done it, you can check that guy off and it's saying I have no more tasks left. And then you can also create them on their own. So I'll just show you quickly. If I was going to add an event, for example, I just press that little add button at the top. You can add a image if you're fancy. Give it a name. Here's where you can select whether it's an event or an appointment. You can add in a time, all day, invite only, or add a reminder. You have the option to add in a location, some details, event link, and then at the bottom you can see this option to create a task list, which will automatically like associate it with an event. So for example, a birthday checklist to go with a birthday event. Now, I didn't fill out details here, so I'm just going to go over and create a task list on its own. So what I'll do is create new task list. I'll say, all right, maybe we are having um our birthday celebration was a potluck. So maybe we just want a potluck checklist and there's a couple foods we need to bring. So maybe somebody needs to bring some mashed potatoes or something like that. Oops. Bring mashed potatoes. I can save that task. I've created a task name. I've created bring mashed potatoes. I can associate it with an event if I want, but I'll just leave this one on its own. And I can press save. And then if we go in available tasks, we can see I have my potluck checklist and somebody needs to bring mashed potatoes and they can click onto that one.